Hello, welcome to today's video. Today I'm doing an update on Subsocial and how to generate energy by burning sub tokens to perform transactions on Subsocial Network, and also a bit of info on sub transfers and staking. Last week Subsocial released two big news, the first one being Subsocial's new NFT collection called Spacers, so feel free to watch my video covering Spacers in the top right corner. The other big news is Subsocial launched energy system which enables to perform transactions on Subsocial Network with even lower fees. Using energy to cover transaction fees is cheaper than using sub tokens to pay for transactions. Energy can be generated by burning sub in energy station at this link. Energy is an on-chain balance that will allow you to perform transactions on Subsocial Network. Note that energy is not a token, so it cannot be transferred to another Subsocial address. Energy is created by burning your sub tokens at a 1-to-1 ratio, but transactions paid for with energy have lower fees than transactions paid for with sub tokens. The difference in fees is currently set to 5-fold, so if you use energy to pay for transactions, you will be able to perform 5 times as many transactions as you would if you paid with sub. This energy system has two big benefits. Burning sub is good for the tokenomics as sub supply decreases, and also Subsocial app and the whole network will become much cheaper to use. Since energy cannot be converted back to sub and also cannot be transferred or sold, you should only create as much energy as you will need for your transactions. When you burn sub tokens, you will need to specify which account energy will be created in. By default, the account that is burning sub will receive energy, but you can also send generated energy to any of your other Subsocial accounts or to your friend's account. So if you want some of your friends to become familiar with Subsocial app, you can burn your sub token and send energy to their address and they are all set up. This functionality enabling to create energy in a different account will enable developers of applications to pay for users' transaction fees, so eventually users don't even need to hold sub token or energy to use the dApps built on Subsocial Network. This could remove a barrier to user adoption. Now how to generate energy. Go to this energy station and up here you need to connect your account with sub balance. Once connected, enter here the amount of sub to burn and you will see the estimated number of transactions that you could complete by using sub or energy. So let me add one sub and I can see I could complete around 50 transactions if I pay for them with sub, or if I burn one sub to energy, I will be able to pay for 250 transactions. As mentioned, paying for transactions with energy is 5 times cheaper than using sub. If you wish to send energy to another account, check this box and enter address of any substrate-based chain into this field. Now just click the Generate Energy button and sign the transaction with your password. So now you have energy and you can see an estimate of how many more transactions you can pay for with your energy by hovering over this lightning icon in the top right corner. By burning only one sub, I have energy to pay for 250 transactions, so if you burn 1 or 2 sub, you will have enough energy for several hundred transactions. You can also see what the current energy coefficient is, and if you need more energy, you can easily navigate back to energy station by clicking Get More Energy button. Now, even holding energy on your account, you will still need to sign the transaction for all your social actions on Subsocial app, such as creating a space, post or comment, following a user, and also liking, upvoting or downvoting a post. If you don't have any sub to burn on your address but you need energy, head over to Subsocial Discord to this energy bot channel, enter !energy space and your Subsocial address, send the message and you will receive energy from the faucet to your address. You will get enough energy to pay for 500 transactions. And at the end, some fresh info with regards to sub transfers and staking. Sub token transfers are still not enabled and there is no set date as to when they will. It seems, however, they could be enabled shortly after sub collator staking goes live. So since staking does not require transfers to be enabled, first staking will be launched and then transfers enabled. Staking should be live in 1 to 2 months, so between October to November. Approximate initial circulating supply of sub at the time transfers are enabled could be around 300 to 350 million. This is a guess from the Subsocial's community manager, so take it as such. And just a reminder, in April the redenomination of sub supply was executed, increasing the total supply from initial 100 million to 1 billion. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.